Thinking that you're healthy and actually being healthy are two very different things. You can exercise a few times every week, floss after every meal, and get to bed at a reasonable time every night, and still, you might be suffering in silence without even realizing it. But as we continue to face the global coronavirus pandemic, maintaining your health and being aware of the signs to watch out for has never been more important. It's time to learn about these less obvious health symptoms that could indicate a serious issue, so stay tuned. One, your urine is not clean. When people think about their health, they don't usually think about urine, as most telling indicators. It might seem strange or gross, but there's a real science to it. According to the Cleveland Clinic, the color, density, and smell of urine can reveal health problems. You want your urine to be a pale, straw color, and it really shouldn't smell like much at all. If your urine has a strong scent, or is a darker color, you'll want to keep a close eye on it, and if it doesn't improve, see a doctor. 2. You're losing weight unexpectedly. Weight loss is only something to be celebrated when it is intentional. Otherwise, beware, it can be associated with uncontrolled diabetes, heart failure, and cancer. And for some tips and our recommendation, check out the link in the description. 3. You have pain behind your eyes. One of the most commonly misunderstood symptoms of a sinus infection is eye pain. This occurs because the sinuses sit in areas above, below, and next to the eyes. When pressure builds up in these areas, it can cause a dull pain that feels like it is coming from around or behind the eyes when it is actually coming from the sinuses. So it is important to observe these symptoms and see a doctor. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and subscribe to help the channel. 4. The whites of your eyes aren't white. If the whites of your eyes are yellowish, it may be indicative of problems with the gallbladder, liver, pancreas, or bile ducts. Red eyes are also a sign of poor health. They're a sign of lack of sleep, too much strain on the eyes, and broken blood vessels. 5. You're always tired. Tired is a state of being for many, but the reasoning behind it may be more than what they're attributing it to. If you're always tired, you may not be as healthy as you thought. Take a look at your diet, physical activity, hydration status, and consider talking with your doctor about any nutritional deficiencies you may have. 6. You have skin tags. Are you dealing with unsightly and uncomfortable skin tags? If so, you might have your cholesterol to blame. Certain skin growths, called xanthelasmata, are related to abnormal cholesterol metabolism. 7. You snore. Snoring isn't just annoying. It's also potentially a not-so-silent sign of a serious health issue like sleep apnea. This causes a variety of problems, especially in terms of heart disease. 8. Your toenails and fingernails are an odd color or texture. One of the surprising places where health problems manifest is your fingernails. Changes in your fingernails and toes can be related to diet and bad habits like smoking. It can also be an early sign that problems are occurring with your circulation or other internal systems. 9. Your breath smells. Bad breath isn't always a sign of an onion-filled lunch. Rather, it's often associated with gingivitis or gum disease. It might not seem like a big deal, but there is a correlation between poor gingival health and vascular inflammation, which can lead to heart disease. 10. Your vision suddenly changes. People of all ages and genders suffer from poor vision that requires correction. But while it's unfortunately normal for our eyes to slowly deteriorate, you should be slightly more concerned if your vision changes suddenly out of the blue. If you like the video, then click the like and subscribe button to subscribe to the channel.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. For more on health and fitness tips, subscribe to the channel.